I am excited to share with you the Organo Medicinal and Tea Herb Seed Pack. This is a 25 different pack, but in it is over 10,900 seeds, and it has everything from anise, basil, cilantro, chamomile, rosemary, lavender, just a long list of variety. And the reason I love it so much is things that I normally wouldn't buy onesie twosie in the store, they put it together in a pack to give me the opportunity to try other seeds. It comes with its own set of tools to make it super easy. I love using these seeds in my indoor hydroponic garden. You can also plant them outside. They're good for indoor or outdoor. I also love that it is a company that is a small family-run company here in the United States. Here these seeds were only planted a couple days ago and they've already sprouted. Some are still working on it, but I really love how they turn out. So if you're looking for some seeds, definitely check out this pack from Organo. We're super grateful that they sent it to us to try out. I used their company several times and I love their quality.